guys, so today we're doing the Vietnamese Chai Thai dessert. It's an Asian dessert. It's a popular street food and it's one of my absolute favorite Asian desserts. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. So first we need some red food coloring, some green, which is we're going to be coloring our water chestnuts, as well as the tapioca, some tapioca starch powder, some pandan leaves. Right here we got some almond jelly, some jackfruit, lychee, water chestnuts, and some coconut milk. We also need some sugar and maybe some half and half.
So first milk is going in. Then coconut milk is going in. So next pandan leaves. Next half and half cream. Now next we're going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next we'll have to boil it for 5 minutes.
So here I have all our ingredients that are chopped. I have the lychee, the faux pomegranate, the colored almond jelly. I just colored it with green food coloring. This was the color of it, the white almond jelly, my tapioca balls, which I've colored blue, and my jackfruit, which I just cut into strips.
I tried the tapioca
And now
balls.
we're gonna put it together.